Na ako ang order from Lazada, the Nintendo Switch and Pokemon Sword. Ano si Kuya, delivery boy. Muna dagway sa kuan. Bigyan ako nagdini mo abot. Pagkahadlok, wag ko nga magbayad nga naka-credit card. Kiwasig di mo abot ba? Kanina si Odir ako. Wow! OMG! And what's up mga mananap? For today, we will be doing an unboxing. So I ordered this one in Lazada last December 12, 2019. So hindi ako safe. I'm not marked safe sa Lazada 12. And guess what's this one?
It's the new...
It's not new actually, it's old.
Okay,
based on the color of the box. So it's the version 1 of Nintendo Switch. So,
Nintendo Switch.
And the other package is...
What would it be? Ano?
It's... Kasi tawag ano?
The Romnia.
Romnia. So it's that something
the card.
SD card that you're going to place inside the Switch. Yes.
And guess what?
What?
What would it be? No.
Yeah. This is Pokemon Sword. Yes.
The new version.
And in our back is Ma'am Lynn. Yes. So, dili na lang ko mag-mention, no? Hindi ko na lang i-mention yung price. Anyways, you will have an idea on how much this Switch and this game card is when you will visit the shop of Lazada. Okay, so let's now do the unboxing.
Yes. First, the magic scissor.
Magic scissor. Sige, Sir Roy, do the honor in cutting. And bye! Accordingly, malalaman mo kung anong version yung Nintendo Switch dahil sa color ng box. So ito, may puti pa siya. So definitely this is version 1. So yung first na model, yung first na labas ng Nintendo Switch. Tapos yung version 2 is parang pula lahat.
Parang mahal nun? Magkano yun?
Yung price difference is I think 2,000 pesos. Pero, binili ko yung older because feeling ko hindi naman siguro siya masyadong malayo. Yung difference ng agwat ng performance. And yes.
The very first Nintendo Switch.
So one of the reasons why I bought this one is of course parang fixated. Yeah, for the fixation. So of course I could not afford this one. So, since may sahod na ako, may sweldo, tapos may YouTube sahod pa.
Wow!
Diba, bongga? So, kaya binili ko na ito. And bago natin siya i-unbox, let us unpack the... Dali naman siguro niya. Let us unpack the... Dali no? Let us unpack the... Sige na, siun na lang nila. Let us unpack this one. So, ito yung ano niya,
yung game card.
So, tapos nakabalot pa talaga siya ng ganito, and then hindi ko siya itatapon yung bubble wrap because
mag-bubble wrap challenge pa kami.
Stress reliever siya. So, this is what the game card looks like. Scissor. So, kailangan siyang ibalot talaga ng bonggang-bongga kasi ganito siya. OMG Pokemon Sword. So Sir Roy, please explain what is Pokemon Sword and Shield.
So the Pokemon Sword and Shield is the new version of the Pokemon game. It is based on the Galar region. It's around in the Europe. Okay. So the older version.
Wow. And Sir Roy, can you explain to us what this Pokemon Sword and Shield is all about?
Okay, so the Pokemon Sword and Shield, comes with two variants. You can choose Pokemon Sword or Pokemon Shield. Actually, there is no difference with that one except for the legendary. Yes. And what's new in this new game of the Nintendo is that the Pokemon Sword and Shield has a new, what do you call this one? Gigantamax. You say Gigantamax, the Pokemon are experiencing
Sudden change.
Sudden enlargement.
Enlarged.
Oh yes, I mean gigantic. So, yun nga. Then the graphics is so nice. The reviews are so nice. I watched it on online, and we will be experiencing this one sooner or later. So, stay tuned.
Kinuha ko talaga si Sir Roy na sa unboxing kasi mas knowledgeable siya kasi sa Pokemon na game. Even the earlier
versions starts with the GBC, the Game Boy Color. That is the black and white, yung simple color. Then it goes with the GBA, then NDS. After that one is the 3DS.
So
then after sa 3DS, that is the start of the Pokemon Omega Ruby, Alpha Sapphire, Pokemon X, Y, then Pokemon Sun and Moon. Then after that one is the Switch, which started with Let's Go Pikachu, Let's Go Eevee, then the latest version.
The first game na lumabas kasama nito is yung Let's Go Pokemon.
Let's Go Eevee and Pikachu.
Let's Go Eevee and Pikachu. And then this is the next one.
The next one, yes.
And the Pokemons are from
Galar region, based on the Europe medieval.
Yes, this is what the casing looks like. And this is what's inside. Actually, ito lang talaga.
Parang SD card.
Parang SD card lang siya. Pero the size is not the same, di ba, with SD card?
Yes.
Okay, so let's remove this. So, definitely, hindi siya kasing laki or yung design, hindi siya katulad ng sa SD card. But more or less, the concept is
parang camera nga
the same.
Yung SD card yung camera?
SD card is a camera.
Yes.
Micro SD, I think. So, yeah, this is it. And let us know.
Let's do the unboxing.
Sige. Papakita namin ng malapitan yung anong meron sa loob. So, i-unbox na natin siya. Nakay ko anon. Dili dasig na. Nara. Sorry kay guys ha. Ignorance.
And
wow! This is what it looks like.
Okay,
Bongga.
so starting with the console, we have the
I think they call it Joy-Con, no? Console or Joy-Con.
Joysticks plus the console.
So this is the actual tablet of the the Switch.
So this is the console.
Console. Bugat lagi siya, no? It's heavy.
And we have here the two joysticks. The gamepad. Yes. It's left and right.
Left and right.
Okay.
And then
Here.
what's
the other package are, of course, hindi makakompleto yung charger.
Charger ng console. Okay, this is what the charger looks like.
The console can be run through with the TV. You can connect it to the TV for bigger
gameplay. And
then,
that one
the connector
is
for TV. We have
HDMI to HDMI, no?
Yes.
Okay.
Parang may HDMI dito.
Yes, of course. Hindi. Dito sa dock. Hindi sa dock.
Okay, yes. We have another.
So, yung HDMI, i-connect mo yon sa dock, tapos yung other end ng HDMI, I think, is i-connect sa TV. Pwede ba siya sa laptop, Sir Roy?
Pwede.
So, i-check natin. Let's try kung pwede siya sa laptop.
Here, this is
this is the dock.
The dock. Yes.
Wow. Okay.
Then, after this one, we have hey, Don.
So, I think sa Joy-Con for better grip, I think. Pero ano lang siya, kani siya.
Parang
murag ano siya.
Ito, saan tilagay?
Dili sa Joy-Con. I-slide dira.
Okay.
So something ano pa tong naa dito?
Then
the last
more.
Okay. So if you're only one player,
if you will be, you could use, if you are compatible with this one, you can use this one.
Or okay, so diba this is only for one player,
One
but
person,
if
yes.
one person, yes. Okay, so that's what all you can see. So, next na ang mangyayari is assemble na namin siya.
yan.
Sige, Sir Roy, do the honor because I'm not so familiar with this.
Okay.
Sige, i-unbox na natin, di ba? Yung colorful ng Joy-Con. Ito parang ano siya, what's the color of this? Parang
neon
pink or orange.
No?
And then this one is neon blue. So ano ba ito? Tingnan natin kung saan yung ano. Left yung ito, okay. Siguro sa taas. May silog. Sorry guys. Parang
first time namin dito
First time kasi namin na makahawak nito ana-ana. Dinhi ang dito yung blue, dito yung orange. Parang slide siya.
Yan.
Diba? Saya-saya.
Yan.
Wait lang.
Okay. Try to open that one.
Sige.
Try to open.
Well.
You have the power. I
Sige.
think you can run.
I think so.
Yes. Yun. Ito
It's
yung
starting
makikita mo
already.
if you will be starting the game. Then of course, yours is where you would put your game card.
Yes, this is the card. The
Ito yan.
Pokemon Sword game.
Yes. Oh.
Wow.
So may instruction pala siya, no? If
Sige,
not
sige. So,
properly...
we will give a closer look for the paano mag-set up ng
kailangan siya naka-properly lock.
Okay. Asa ang lock? Nasaan yung lock?
There's a sound click.
Okay.
Try natin dito. Nalock na siya. Then you
Okay,
will choose
so
your
sige.
language.
Kailangan nating
So, click A.
ipakita yung paano mag-set up.
So, click A for English.
Bakit A?
You have A. Okay.
Okay. So, may nakalagay dito na yung A.
English.
Okay is A.
Then, we have... Where can we choose? Americas? Okay lang.
Wait.
Americas.
Bakit walang A siya?
Walang Asia pa. Basta, Pokemon games, walang Asia talaga.
Japan
Yes.
na lang.
You want Japanese?
Hindi.
Americas.
Region na lang man.
Usually, yung ginagamit ko maglaro is either Europe or USA.
Bakit? What's the
Based on the region.
based on the region? But I think there's an advantage if pipiliin mo yung Japan.
Japan. Let's try. We can.
Pero pwede
we can reset.
ma-change.
We can reset.
We can reset. Okay.
So
Okay,
you
so-
need to use this one for scrolling. Just like the
okay.
PlayStation or Xbox. So A. Then of course
Of course,
we
need
have
to
the
accept.
end user agreement. Then
A na naman.
Okay. It needs enter.
So, kailangan mo siyang i-connect sa internet. Sige, Sir
So
Roy.
we have
Do
here.
the honor in connecting it
Then-
to the internet. And we are now done setting up the, so
internet. So we're not
we
connected
need to
the
connect
internet.
these switch to Wi-Fi or
Okay.
and something. So, sige.
Okay.
Network.
Then we will
Time
choose our
zone.
time zone, which is
May Manila ba dyan?
Kuala Lumpur.
Siyempre, same lang naman
Yes,
tayo ng
Kuala
Kuala
Lumpur.
Lumpur.
Later,
Later
since
na.
wala kaming TV, then we will
Ngayon.
connect it to later. We will click later.
Yes. Sige.
Then detach the console. So we have here detach.
Bakit i-detach dapat ang console? Sige, i-detach mo. Pero parang may kailangan kang i-press sa likod. Parang itong
Okay,
lingin.
click mo dun.
Tap. So ganun lang. You need to press the
We
circle
have
there.
here, yes, the small one.
And
Before you
then
could,
before mo siya i-slide.
yes.
And then
Then,
use the left stick to select next.
you can detach this
Then
one.
press A on the right controller.
Um,
So kasi kapag kinonect na natin siya sa TV,
yes, of
sige,
course.
sige.
We'll put that one.
So by the way, we are currently charging it because low bat na siya.
You can use both the joysticks, no?
Oo.
It
So
can be
parang
left, right,
parang
left,
ano na
right.
siya sa TV.
Then click A.
Sige.
So you can use the console with the Joy-Con, attach or detach. Then choose the control style you prefer. Then continue.
Okay. Set
So,
your icon and nickname.
So let's set your icon.
So I am not sure if can you make many accounts for this one? Like
I
kanina
think
sige daw.
you could use one account. Unless if you reset the game.
But for accounts,
Yeah. Which icon do you want?
sige. Si Mario, of
Mario.
course.
Okay. Then what's your name?
Sige, ayan.
Mario.
Hindi ba siya touchscreen? Try natin. Touchscreen
yun na
naman.
pala.
Ano ba?
Okay. Ayan.
So, this
Okay.
user will be added to the console. Later na lang.
Wala.
Later na.
May Nintendo ka. May Nintendo ka na ka. Pero
Later na lang. Sige.
you could add
So you can
another
use...
user.
Sige, ikaw. Add another user.
Sige.
Tapos ilink mo yung Nintendo mo.
Okay.
Can you still memorize your ano?
Later na lang. If
Ano yung...
we're done with the kuan,
Sige.
we'll have another video na lang.
Sige.
Yeah. So siya si Mario and I will be Luigi. And
I-touchscreen mo na lang. Senpai.
actually this is my game name. Senka.
Senka. Okay.
Then
Later na lang. Okay.
then skip if you have no other user. So, what's in the service online?
Okay, sige daw. You
You click
click
service.
A.
Where?
Sige. What the service includes? Online play.
So you have the kuan. What services will they offer?
You will be able to access the
Yes, if
following
you have the
services.
membership,
Okay.
online membership.
So online play, you can play with. Sige daw, taas sir, right?
So we
You can
have-
play with others both competitively and
That's why I
cooperatively
see
over the
some of the
internet.
kuan, some of the players that are connected
Because
during
it's not
Sagiganta
just...
Max. They're raiding.
It's
It's just like a
parang
Pokemon Go.
parang Pokemon Go lang. Sige, and
Tapos,
then
Nintendo Entertainment
you can of
System.
course switch online.
Of
and
course,
then
we have Data Cloud.
Then use a dedicated
Smartphone
smartphone app that makes online play even more interesting. Okay.
Let's try.
Sige.
What's this online smartphone app?
And
Then
then
next. So configure parental controls. This is if the players are below 18 years old.
Okay. So bakit may mga ano
For security purposes only.
security purposes. Tapos probably masiset din kung ilang hours
Yes.
lang makakapaglaro yung mga
bata.
anak nila. Sige, skip.
Yan, the
Setup is
setup is
complete.
complete. Then we will click here. This
So,
one.
ito
We have
yung
here the home button.
So yan yung home button.
Then-
And then
Okay. So since we
OMG.
didn't put the card for the Pokemon
So may
Sword,
time talaga siya, no?
so let's try how to put the Pokemon
Sige,
game.
sige.
So we have here, yes, there,
That is the slot.
the slot for the game card.
So
Then
how do you open that
we'll
one?
just this one since I have small nails. Kakabago ko lang ng I
Wait
have small
lang.
nails.
Diba?
Then
So paano mo siya ilalim? Una yung ano, no? Saan yung parang ano
Down.
na siya? Ano, no? Sige.
think down.
So this is how you
Then
wala pa. Panakuan in the doot.
go. So
Okay. So a system
we have
update
here a
is required
system.
to
If you
use.
put successfully the game card, so there's a pop-up box that you need to update. So click update.
Ganon.
Then after that one, the game will appear to the home screen.
So ilo-load niya yung data.
Yung
Pero
game
kapag
card.
tinanggal mo yung game card,
Of course.
mariretain dyan na yung ano or kailangan
Mare-retain. May data cloud kasi.
so online. So dapat i-connect mo talaga siya
Yung
online
game
para
card,
hindi mawala.
Kaya
Hindi ba
nga
siya
may
masasave sa game card?
Mas
Hindi.
safe. Mas safe. At the same time, may data cloud.
So, yes.
So update. Then
The
3
console will
seconds.
restart in 3 seconds.
So nag-off yung
1, 2, Ah, 3 seconds talaga. Sorry kay guys, naisamukan diri sa likod.
So here, we have here now the game.
So I think you can actually buy the games online.
Online, yes. Some are downloading, but it's not safe to download the Switch nga kaan.
So it would be best if
You need to yes,
buy
pay.
that one, the game card. Off mo na.
Yeah. Open.
What happened?
Ayan.
Ito.
So let's start.
Sige, sige.
Okay.
Ay, low bat yung Joy-Con.
Press the same button 3 times. 1, 2, 3. No.
Ay,
Okay.
i-connect mo na lang yung Joy-Con para ma-charge
Ayan.
sila.
Yun na yun.
Sige, i-connect mo na
Connect
yung
mo natin. Sige.
i-connect
Again,
natin
connect
yung
natin.
Joy-Con kasi na-lowbat na siya. So dapat may
Parang
ganun, may
na
click sound.
Tapos sa kabila, you have here. Yun.
Perfect. Sige, sige.
So, let's click A. We have the Pokemon Sword na game.
So A talaga yung dapat.
So,
sige,
gamitin natin si Ayan.
Hindi. Ikaw
Senka.
lang.
Sige.
Senka.
So, this is our first time playing an actual console.
Yes.
Although we haven't played the previous console, but we've played the latest. Yes! So, English, I prefer this one. Actually, in the game, you could customize your player. This is I think the second one to customize. Follow your player. Again, we have here, you could touch the screen. And okay.
Yes. You can change. Basta A dapat.
After the game.
Okay.
We
So
have
kailangan
here
talaga siyang ano yan?
unknown. The unknowns.
Hindi yung how
Loading.
do you read that
Now
one?
loading.
Now loading pala
In
yun.
Galar language, I think.
As in, may ganun pala, may Galar language.
Here.